Hello everyone, my name is DSchwering. This is my screencast for our introduction assignment for EDCI 560. One of my passions is photography, so I wanted to share with you some of the pictures of my family and the activities that I like to photograph. This is my husband Brian and I and our 4 children. This is our daughter Anna, who graduated from high school in 2015. She's currently a junior at Purdue. This is my daughter Ellen, who is a senior in high school and will be attending Purdue in the fall. Go Boilers! This is my daughter Erin. She loves track and volleyball as well as softball and basketball. Just didn't fit all those pictures in. And this is our son Garrett, who's 10, and he loves football and baseball and basketball as well, and is going to try soccer this spring. So those are just some of the things that I like to do. Activities and pictures that I like to take. Looking forward to this class and getting to know everyone.